Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix Badoo app freezing or crashing. So now let's get started. If the Badoo app keeps freezing or crashing, try these steps to fix it. The first step is restart your device. A simple restart can fix minor glitches and solve your issue. Another step is clear the app cache or data. Simply go to the settings and navigate to apps. Now search for Badoo app, tap on it, scroll down and tap on storage. Now here you can simply clear app cache or app data. To clear the app cache, tap on clear cache at the bottom left corner, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data at the bottom right corner. Now another step is update the Badoo app. Simply go to the Play Store and search for Badoo. Now if you see any kind of updates, simply update the app. Last but not the least, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again from the Play Store. But if the problem persists, contact the Badoo support. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.